So how many valence electrons do these transition metals have? Remember, transition metals have a few tiny quirks. They're not a ton of quirks, but you just have to pay attention when you're doing them. We already have neutral ions configuration, and just to kind of make it helpful, I want to go ahead and do the orbital notation also. So this is the 3D, and again, he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And notice that his 2 4s's are also filled, because you fill the 4s before the 3D, which is weird, I know. So, how many valence electrons does it have? Well, there are actually some debates out there on how to count this. In fact, when I took chemistry, I learned it this way. I learned that, again, you only count the 4s electrons. You never count any other electrons. And so because it's the highest energy level, you would just say, oh, there are 2 valence electrons. And you don't worry about anything else. However, there are some textbooks and some theories of thought that say, hey, you should also include the 3D because they're so close in energy. And so there you go. You could also say that there's 2 plus 6, which means that there are 8 valence electrons. Now, personally, of course, I like the method I learned, but everyone likes the method they learned. You will have clarified information on any questions in this book as to whether or not we're asking about this or this. But for now, assume that you combine them together. Again, it's only the 4s and the 3d that you combine together when you do it with this method.